May matukuhan. Di kaya ako'y tawagin. Malalaman mo kahit kailan hawak kamay. Di kita iiwan sa paglabay. Sa mundo wala tiyak. Hawak kamay. Di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo na pawala. Happy birthday, Chang. Narating namin mga kapatid. Tapos, nag-rehabi lang ako ng kanta. Kaya, ito. Iyak. Nakakahiya pala dito eh. Patay natin ilaw. Patay. May naka-record ba yan? Oo. You know I can't smile. Can't smile without you. Ano yan?
Okay, next. Tito Joey. Mamaya. Okay, si Andrew.
Deep inside me, I can feel mine. I was never gonna choose
Okay, next, RR.
Ay, Tami. Ayun, naiinis ako sa'yo kasi papakantahin mo ako. Happy birthday. Ayun. Yung kanta ko sa'yo, Umbrella. When the sun shines, we'll shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took a note, I will stick it out till the end.
Okay, next, Mark.
Kantayin ko yung baby face every time I close my eyes. And every time I close my eyes, it's the love that I desire. And you got me too. And every time I think of it, I pinch myself 'cause I don't believe it's true. Happy birthday, Chang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chami. Eh, hindi ko kaya yung favorite mong song. Kaya iba na lang. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, fall, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yes I will. You got a friend. Birthday.
Okay, next. Ken.
And it's so easy to love you, girl, it's so naturally. I couldn't breathe without it, and so many birthdays.
Next, Donovan.
Ang kanta ko, I will be here. Nakabano ko. Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. And if the darkness I love my hand, I don't fear, 'cause I will live, but I will be there, 'cause I will live.
Okay, next. Mike.
Happy birthday, Chavi. Wanna take off the world with you. I wanna make you smile.
Okay, Giorgio.
Taliwan, it might be you. Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on my bed, watching. Wishing there would be Come on, stand with me, it might be you. All of
Okay, next, Miguel.
Ano, pinagpuyatan mo tong
beautiful girl, wherever you are. I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long. Without doubt, I give you all my life. Love it forever till the day I die. You and I worship. Yeah, happy birthday.
Okay, now, Billboard.
Ano, hindi sila makikita? Okay lang.
Yes. Ay, ganun. Ayun, yung wish na. Ayan, kasi, Chami, ka-teammate ko siya since, grade 5, yes. Tapos, ayun, so, nung grade 2 pa lang kami, sobrang close, hanggang yung best friend nga ata kami. Tapos ayun, ngayon, pag-18 ka na, ngayon ko na-realize sa tanda ka. Yay! Ayun, so Shami, wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang nakangiti kasi every time na umingiti ka, you know naman your dimples. Nagpapasayo yun sa amin. So, parang pag sinabing Shami, aba si dimple girl, yes. Ayun, so, since talaga na you, baka talaga na hindi, yun. Strong na lang sa lahat. Siyempre, pag talaga na marami yung challenge, so yun, kailangan ma-conquer mo lahat yun. Salamat!
Excuse lang, bakit
pwede pakiulit yung sinabi mo kasi namatay yung video.
Ayun, Chami, happy 18th birthday. Tanda mo na. Ayun. Kami na susunod din yung set sa'yo. So, yun, wish ko lang sa'yo more birthday to come. Saka, pakabalik ka lagi. Tsaka, stay pretty as you are right now. Tapos, that's yun. Basta happy birthday. Let's thank you sa lahat.
Okay, next, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Chami. I wish you all the best that life can offer. Sana maging happy ka always.
Okay, so Josabel.
Happy birthday. And all the things you do, promise your back. The crowd may cover her, but the honesty for being herself will make her shine and live for the rest. And humble as she is for being a kind companion, loving her for being modest and insane. At the times you need someone to call a friend. And there she is for the beloved family and friends, Chami. Now that you're turning 18, I wish that God will help you to guide you in all the decisions you will make. Give you enough strength to face all the challenges you make that come your way and that come challenges you make encounter. Love and care for your family and friends. Love, Josh.
Okay, next, Marizuki.
Sana kayo ngayon tayong classmates. Mga kalimutan. Tapos, ayun. Pakasaya.
Okay, Charlie.
Nag-iisip ka na, tanda ko. Anyway, hindi ko na papabayad yung speech ko kasi may letter ako sa'yo. Kasama ng gift ko. Hindi ko matatawa ka dun sa letter kasi nakasunod din yung mga bastahan. Muna. Anyway, yung wish ko lang for you is, success, good health, good relationship with your family, friends, and loved ones. Tsaka, more blessings to come. Sorry, Sarah.
Astrid.
Talaga sana you make the right decisions in your life. Tapos, you face all your trials, all your life trials na strong. Kasi you'll be happy. Stay pretty. Love you.
Okay, Charisse.
Chami, happy birthday and mag-age na tayo. Saka, natutuwa ako I met you. I've learned a lot from you. Ayan, happy birthday.
Okay, next, Achi. Brisa.
Tapos ano, yun, ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday.